Okay guys, it looks like we are online, and I just want to show you the big picture of whales movement, of big dump, which is going to be for all crypto market, not only for altcoins, which as I have mentioned in this video, not only for SHIBA and DyDX, but for BTC as well, and for whole crypto market as well. What is my thought about? It's just a whales movement before a big uptrend channel to the road of $100,000 per Bitcoin. They just want to move prices down to buy on the dip, to buy Bitcoin and altcoins on the dip. That's here we see SHIBA USDT market from the one of exchange platform. It's a KuCoin, and here we see the strong downtrend pattern on the global picture, on the global Fibonacci levels analysis. If we were in a normal pattern, if we were in healthy environment, we will hold this buying line, and maybe we will get some bounce from this line of resistance, bounce, and go up to 900 level. But because of global downtrend, global trend changing, we are going deeper, and as I see from this picture, we are going deep to the level of 570, let's say 5 Satoshi per SHIBA, and maybe even more if this manipulation will still going. But as you see, guys, it's a global picture for whole timeline since the listing of the Robinhood. So let me put lines correctly. So here we can see SHIBA was listed on the Robinhood. Price were pumped hardly, and we just move according to Fibonacci levels, and SHIBA is showing pretty great result. I would say it was really very strong, even when Bitcoin were bleeding. But at the moment, as I already said, we are in the downtrend channel. So, and you see that these listings from the Coinbase listing, this very strong push, we see the result of it here. It's a huge green candle till the level of 1861 Satoshi. But unfortunately whales play their own game, and it looks like we will go deeper. So it's just some nuances till which level we will, where is the real resistance. It's difficult to say just right now, but it looks like it should be right there at 5.5, let's say 585, I mean, and maybe even deeper. So guys, right now I recommend you to do not trade Bitcoin, do not trade all altcoins. If you are ready to back your pocket, wait till the real deep here, and then you can buy. So I recommend you to wait until this level of resistance and buy here, maybe starting from 580 Satoshi, maybe a little bit lower, just on the line of the this resistance. Just market of SHIBA is very manipulative. A lot of whales are moving prices down, but it's a very perspective market for them, and we see it by the moving of price. And it's a really very strong market, but because of this downtrend movement, because of manipulation, we are going down. And you see, if we were not manipulated, we will already break this resistance of 950 and will be on our way to 1000 Satoshi per SHIBA token. But because of manipulation, we are going down. So Bogdanov calls their dump team to bleed all market, and we just goes down. So be strong, keep passion, and don't trade right now, because it's just dangerous. You will lose your money, and moreover, more important point, you will lose your future profit, because you will wait for your holdings until they will bounce from the resistance line. So don't do it. I recommend not sell right now. If you are keeping tokens, I recommend you to just hold and wait till the deep, and after that we will continue our uptrend. So at the moment, all market movements, all tradings are really dangerous. So I recommend you to stay ahead of tradings, at least till the moment where Bitcoin will find his real bottom. And as we see, the level of resistance here is for $47,800, but it could dive even deeper, even much deeper. So guys, let me check, is our stream live? Yeah, we are live. So really, I want to share my thoughts. I think it will be a very important signal for you, and I hope you will take it to consideration. You will wait until this downtrend will finish. So as you see on the 1 hour graph, on the 1 hour candle, we are really going deeper according to Bitcoin price movement, and the real deep is here, exactly on the level of $46,700. I think that real bounce level, real deep is here, and after we touch this resistance level, we will go forward on the way to the 1000 to the way of $100,000 per Bitcoin. But until we find this resistance level, I recommend you to do not trade, to do not put your money into altcoin and Bitcoins, and wait until it that's all will finish it. Maybe the real bounce at a level will be a little bit higher, let's say here at 47,100, but as you see, it's just on our eyes. the big red candle on the 1 hour chart, and we are crossing our uptrend line, and we can see online this downtrend movement. Unfortunately, we are in such point of market, but guys, it's just how the things is going. It's just a manipulation of whales, I don't know, of people who understand something in trading and who trying to manipulate the crowd. So just be patient and just see where we find resistance level for Bitcoin. So guys, according to SHIBA market, I recommend you to analyze information and see the whole picture as we see on this chart. I recommend you to really understand where things are going and where we will be at the end of this whales game. So don't play with their rules, wait until we get the bottom, and after that our way to the moon. As you see, it's a great pictures for like next couple of months, maybe half year, maybe year, but right now it's a critical point. Be just patient and don't panic, don't sell your tokens. So according to some tools which I use during my trading, I use Live Coin Watch service. It's just really great. It shows you online status of your trading. It shows you one very important signal, one very important indicator. It's a 1 hour price speed, and as you see we are in the downtrend. As you see, we are in the downtrend on 24 hours chart. We lost 5% per 24 hours, and as you see here, we can definitely can see this downtrend pattern here. Another resource which I recommend to all SHIBA holders, it's sorry, I just closed it. It's a SHIBA live chat, live streams, which sorry, some advertising, which are leading by Josh Finance. I think it's a great guy who just show us every day 24-hour live pictures of trading on Shiba Inu. Their chart are pretty awesome, and you can see the main movement of market using this Shiba Inu token live chart by Josh Finance. And guys, I also recommend you to use other tools such as a coin codex, which shows up some trending tokens, and as you see, I don't know, is it right now the real trending tokens, trending sheet, or it's like main page. Oh guys, it's like really it's a main page, and as you see, we are dropping down. And as you see, all market is red. So this resource coin codex has great tools, such showing top 50 coins, top 100, etc., etc. So you can see the real like picture, and as you see here, we are on the top of 100 coins right now, but the market is bleeding, is totally bleeding. So this Bitcoin movement is a common for all market, and right now it's a very great opportunity to check the best altcoins on the market at the period of downtrend. So you see, I will name there, it's a seller. It's Bitcoin Cash, but I don't recommend you maybe to buy Bitcoin Cash ABC. I don't know even what is that. As you see, very strong project Elrond Gold is also in the downtrend. Binance Coin is in downtrend. All market is in downtrend. Ethereum is in downtrend. Bitcoin in the downtrend. So guys, I just recommend you to watch these resources and find tokens which are strong at this period of time. It's Moon River, Olympus, and moving to second 100 of chart. So yeah, let me find. So here we are all bleeding. Cadena showing good result. Leo, Akash Network, Celo we already mentioned. Near Protocol, Persistence, Pocket Pool, Moon River, Olympus, let's okay, actually I can't load more right now from this tool, but as I said guys, Safe Moon is a new token, and usually new tokens which are going on the market during the downtrend movement are usually very strong. So Safe Moon should be nice shitty coin at the moment, but maybe it will be grow well in the future. Let's see. So guys, as you see, a list of trending cryptocurrencies, and it's actually market is bleeding, and here it's a great possibility to find real very strong, very promising projects which are even better than Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum. So Atom is showing pretty good results at the moment. Lovely Inu shows pretty good result. It's a 5th trending cryptocurrency right now on CoinCodex. Gala is wonderful project, 77% growth per 24 hours in such a bleeding market. It's just great altcoin. But guys, do your own research, just analyze the market, and you will definitely find a strong, healthy project which will bring you money even in such a downtrend, strong movement, even in the time where Bogdanov and central banks guys are going to not down our market, but earn on it. So let me finish with analysis of SHIBA. So guys, don't do anything, don't sell your SHIBA token until we get a main resistance level, and I recommend you to buy SHIBA and other altcoins, Bitcoin, when we will be on this downtrend basement line. So maybe let's analyze some other coins which I have in my pocket, which I think are really have a bright perspective. So actually we can see the same picture here for DyDX. Price is rapidly down, and I think that we will not be able to catch this resistance level, and with DyDX we can definitely see where this resistance will finish. I think that we will touch at least this resistance level of 11,255, and maybe we'll touch the level of 9.191. I think that we will touch this point. So same recommendation as for SHIBA token. Do not trade DyDX right now, don't sell it, because the real price for this token is really more than $20 as minimum right now. So don't lose your future, don't trade, don't sell in panic. And maybe we could just analyze a little bit deeper this DyDX chart. So let me just show you just main resistance level and show you all pictures as it is. So guys, at least this level, it's our strong resistance. It's our previous top. Right here, 16,071. So it's pretty obvious and pretty easy to analyze when you look on the big side picture. So you should sell your tokens here to keep your wallet, but doing it in the strong downtrend right now in panic, I don't recommend, guys. And actually DyDX is a quite strong token, but I don't think that it will survive during this huge downtrend movement. If you were on the health market without it this dropping line, we will definitely bounce it from this resistance level, but as you see we are not. And a very important line is just here. As you see, there is a lot of manipulation again, and okay, let's use this line. Oh my god, sometimes it's just difficult to line these levels, but let's try again. Okay, so if we if we were in strong market, we will definitely hugely bounce it from this level of resistance, but we are not, and Houston, we have a problem. And as you see, just here, it's our critical point. And if DyDX is really strong, very strong project, it actually is, but in such difficult situation it will be difficult to keep up and not flying down. So guys, I recommend you also hold your DyDX tokens and do not sell them. As you see, it's just brilliant. It's just brilliant Fibonacci levels. And guys, actually, I have quite a good news for you and for me, because we see here on the 50 minutes, not yet. So very important point right now on the market for DyDX. You can see it on every chart, and on 30 minutes chart you can see that we are not in the uptrend line anymore. We are in this unpredictable channel, and we cannot say where it could lead us, you know, like it's definitely will be go down, but maybe it's a good possibility to buy some small part of your deposit just to understand could we keep this level of resistance, but actually I don't recommend it, because as you see, all lines are going down, and here we will see the great battle between bulls and whales, bulls and bears, and we will see market capitalization. It's another resource which I am using. It's a livecoinwatch.com. Here you can see the real market picture at the current moment, and as you see, it's actually not so active. People are just waiting for the next movement of Bitcoin, and people realize that it's quite difficult to set up this level. But DyDX is quite strong, it's really quite strong, and its battle very promising. Actually, its battle very promising. I think that DyDX is showing in general even better trading channel than Bitcoin, but I don't think we will survive in this full picture according to uptrend level. But actually we can at least try. So right now maybe it's a good possibility to buy, because actually previous dip of DyDX was about 10, and we are slightly going forward. Maybe you can buy some part of your token part of tokens right now, but guys, I doubt that it's too risky right now. So we seem just panic sell at the moment on the market, but let's see how it will go. It's actually very interesting to see these markets, movement and in live trading. It's really very interesting, but as you see, we are already not in this stable channel, slightly uptrend channel to $14.5. We are down, and we are going down quite forward. But guys, anyway, DyDX is a real strong altcoin, which was established to which was listed during the big drop of Bitcoin during 9th of September. Let me find this point. Yep, so as we see, it was listed on exchanges during the first main Bitcoin drop connected with El Salvador 10% discount on Bitcoin. And I also think that actually it was a market manipulation with El Salvador, not in fact that first country officially goes to Bitcoin, and it's a huge positive bullish sign for even child who are buying SHIBA coin or other dogs coin. It's a very strong bullish sign for whole market, for whole world, you know, if we are living in health world. But we are living in the world where our government started wars, where you know, you have pandemia, you have some lot of protests, you have really crazy situation with everything, especially with finance departments, and they are just manipulating this market. So I think that sign that DyDX was listed on exchanges at the most critical point of Bitcoin, maybe in the history of 1 year. It's a good sign for us to keep attention on this project, because it was moving really very great during this period of strong market downtrend. And I recommend you to keep hold your DyDX tokens. And as you see, oh, it's great pattern here. It's great pattern here. But it's difficult. It's really difficult to find these lines on such a picture, but I will try. Okay. So it was shown like a couple of moments ago that we had a bull flag just even on current situation. Yeah, we are here right now. So as you see, DyDX is just really very strong coin, which is battled for his future on this wealth movement. You see how much is it on this market panic movement, and it actually strongly hold this line. And actually let me be maybe more positive. Wow guys, DyDX is going pretty well. DyDX is going pretty well, guys. I think even much better than Bitcoin, because this huge Bogdanov movement at the end of trading cycle doesn't kill DyDX like uptrending, not uptrending, but same trade line. But anyway, it's very difficult to understand who will win exactly on these battles, but it's very interesting. It's very interesting, really. So it's quite strong, and guys, as we see on 5 minutes chart, our bulls, guys, keep holding us in this slide channel from 14.2 to 16, and if we will hold this line, DyDX maybe will be one of the strongest coin in the market in the period of strong BTC downtrend. So right now it's just a battle between bulls and bears, but between bulls and Bogdanov team, and let's see how it will go. And actually at that moment, at that particular moment of time, guys, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So right now the volume on DyDX market will increase, and after some period of finding the current lifeline bottom, we will see huge movements on the market volume. So as you see at the moment, it's about 5,200,000 of liquidity of DY token, 5,002,000 dollars of DyDX token on the market, and the trend for it right now is quite promising, guys. We will battle for our future right now on DyDX for sure. So maybe we will have a chance to protect our uptrending line, but it's a very big question, and it's really very difficult to say exactly where it could go. But I like how DyDX is keeping this strong push, and it looks really pretty good. Let's maybe move to Bitcoin price analysis and see how it behave on such critical moment of time, and you know, wow. So right now these downtrend movements is the same pattern as we had on El Salvador dump on the 10th of September. Oh no, sorry guys, it's already this picture of El Salvador dump. yeah, so on the daily market. And right now we are battle for our day green light right now for our next market movements, and it's pretty interesting. Let's analyze it on maybe, yeah, on maybe hour, even maybe 1 hour chart. Okay, yep, let's do some analysis here. So it's pretty easy, guys. We just put our main happy scenario line here before they dropped market, but by good El Salvador adoption news. Second line is going to, I think it's better to really put this line to the bottom, because this movement were really very powerful. And so, guys, it looks like we are going down, but really just slightly down. Okay, as you see right now we are in the panic, because the real price according to the chart should be at least $47,567, and it should battle with a level of let's say 37.5, 37.7, between these two lines. But because of market panic, people are really actually selling their Bitcoin. It's crazy. But maybe just it's as whales do it, but it's huge how they manipulate the market. Oh my god. I just want to remember for you the picture of world in which we are living. Like, remember that from 1914, just before the First World War were started, all world lost his gold standard. Not only USA, because USA it's the most promising economy in the world, and when some guys, let's name their Illuminati or like hidden government of the world, some huge bankiers, I would not name it them, but you all know these families of some banks, dynasties, they just dropped down US dollar before the war in 1914, and they just dropping the gold digit standard right now. But guys, we will be fine definitely, because we are on the hour move to the moon, to the 1100 per Bitcoin. It's definitely, we are here, we are there, we are still in the general uptrend, but because of the wealth manipulations, we are going down. Okay, let's see that the real candle is here, yeah, because this touch, it's difficult to think that it's a real candle. It's just hidden line of it. And as we see, people are selling Bitcoin. Oh my god, people are selling Bitcoin, and if we were strong enough to battle here with whales, we will go uptrend and we could reach our 50 K per Bitcoin just tomorrow. But because of this correction, because of panic on the market, we lost it. So we can say that we are stable and we can continue our battle for the real Bitcoin price, where it will be where it will cost $47,550 at least. But as we see, people are panicking, and some rich and wise guys are buying our future on the panic market. And I expect that market will do some movements soon, but at the moment, guys, we are diving deep on the ocean of whales, Bogdanov team, and who knows how we can stop it. As you see, DyDX behave much strongly, behave much better than Bitcoin in such situation. Because it's fighting pretty well and it's keeping the line. Okay, it's keeping the line and it's showing, guys, DyDX is showing real price right now. So right now for DyDX we are in gold Fibonacci levels, guys, and we can stop it. We can stop, actually we have possibility to stop this drop down of DyDX just right now, if market will be more healthier. And I think that right now we will see price stabilization of DyDX and we will see the positive price movement for it, and I think we will start to see it on the gainers panel, not right now, but maybe in 1 hour or something like that. Yep, not right now, because it's fighting hard at the moment with guys who are selling. But okay, I think that it's totally possible to stop this panic just in next hour, and when we stabilize our price, when we stabilize our performance to BTC and performance to USD, this token could behave quite healthy. And as you see, even in that red bloody market, DyDX showing pretty good result, not only comparing with papers with US dollars, but with BTC asset. DyDX is performing better. DyDX is performing better. And guys, I think that it's possible to to stop these drop downs just in that period of time, but too much panicking right now on the market. So it's a battle which will be today, maybe tomorrow, and who knows how it will go. But I recommend actually to at least keep in touch on it. At least keep in touch, and when whales will start to buy it in its real dips, so it's a sign for us that we can actually started to buy as well. I like these shoulders on the Fibonacci levels, and I think I can predict the bottom for DyDX during this whales dump. We should go to 11 line, and if a market will be really not panicking and will keep Fibonacci levels resistance, we will keep price near the level of 11 200 11.2, I mean. Yeah, we'll see, but according to Fibonacci levels we could do it. Okay guys, don't be manipulated, try to fight, and you will definitely will have bright future when you just understand some fundamentals, as I try to understand. Sometimes it's difficult. Actually, I don't really like this chart right now, but let's say we will stop somewhere here. Yep, it looks like we could stop somewhere here. So it's actually pretty good sign that we are fighting. And what about Bitcoin? And Bitcoin is bleeding as fuck. Okay, so what do I want? I want to see more global picture, and for more global picture is looking pretty bullish. DyDX is looking pretty bullish. It looks great. It looks great. But who knows where we will stop? I think it will stop definitely somewhere near the 10.5 at the end of this downtrend. But who knows? Maybe we will keep it even higher. But to do it, it's quite risky. It's quite risky, guys. So it's all depend on us at this point of time, and it will be quite interesting to see the battle of volumes right now on this market. Right now, on 1 hour graph, we are holding this level. We are holding this level, guys. 30 minutes too. Same 50 minutes, same 5 minutes, same 1 minute. Oh, we are going pumpy dumpy right now. So right now DyDX price will start stabilize. I think we are close to the deep, guys, and right now it will be battle of long and shorts for DyDX definitely, but it looks pretty good. In 1 hour chart it's better than Ethereum. It's better than Ethereum, and looks on the main guy, Bitcoin. Okay, and here we are on live coin watch. We can see some brilliant information, guys, some brilliant information. And as you see right now, Ethereum is going pretty bad. Bitcoin is going little bit better, but it lost 1.8% per hour during this dump. And let's see how DyDX is moving. Actually, because of panic, it's not stable right now, but it should be because the price, it's a good possibility to buy, guys. Here it's a good possibility to buy. Oh my god, if I wear whales I will be rich next week, but I'm not a whales, but I'm just trying to save my money, save my tokens, which is earning with a big like problems. And I recommend you to see the picture when price will stabilize, but it looks like we have broken down trend here for DyDX. Of course people are panicking right now, but in general we are breaking this panic scenario for DyDX. What about Bitcoin? It's also getting better. So let's see. So right now resistance is here, and real price should be 47,316 dollars per one Bitcoin, and the market is still in panic. It is still on wealth manipulation, but I think Bitcoin also will hold it pretty well. And what about DyDX? Okay, so DyDX is showing pretty good results here. It's right now the price is pretty good. You see that according to the chart, the price should be near the 1461, and it's keep growing, guys. We are keep growing on DyDX, so it could be that we will protect it against Bogdanov team and world paper hands bankier system and we will see. But it's really interesting to see how it's going. It's really interesting. Let's move deeper. Pam 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 pam. Okay, guys, so let's compare these two assets on the 1 hour chart, DyDX and BTC. According to DyDX 1 hour chart, we are keeping this punch, and after it we will slightly slow growing. So right now we will see stabilization of the market. Market will slowly but surely go more active on DyDX, and we will see the price starting to stabilize. So as you see, we are in the live mode right now. If we will protect this 1 hour candle, we will start we will be in the uptrend channel, and we still actually in the uptrend channel, guys. We still in the uptrend channel here. You see, it's not closed. The volume is not closed. It's still very bullish. It's still very bullish. So don't let really whales finish this Loch Ness bull flag strong price movement. It should go up. It should go up from this moment, definitely. It should go up. Stabilize and go up. But we will see how it will be in real term. Whoa, 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 we are fighting hard. We are fighting hard. You see this little green candle, which could be quite huge candle on the graph, on the real graph. And for DyDX we will battle definitely. For Bitcoin it's much worse. People panicking, the real price 47,300 is not reached, and we are panicking just right now. But we still can continue our trend to the moon, really to the moon, because in global perspective, guys, in global perspective, it's a trend just at least to 53,000.8 at least. But there is a big battle between between whales and bulls right now on the market. And our main game is to be on the uptrend channel just right now, and to finish 1 hour candle here as a green. But as you see, whales are doing their game pretty tough, and we see big drops. We see drop here, we see drop here, we see drop right now, and Bogdanov team is working on Illuminati and trying to kill our green matrix, guys. So according to DyDX, what we can say? So we are moving much better than Bitcoin right now. We keep our green candle on 30 minutes chart, and if we will keep it till the end of this period, we will protect our money, we will protect our future and DyDX future as well. If not, so the price will definitely drop it down. Of course, it's a good possibility to buy lower, but still it's better to be in the uptrend and to not be manipulated. Okay, so 1 hour chart is very important for us. Yep, it's going green, it's going green, and main battle is here for DyDX. The volume will drop up for DyDX definitely. So let's see what is it. It's still better than ATC. It's slightly worse than BTC, but it's just a moment of panic. and when will market will stabilize, we will see much better picture. So SHIBA won't me show this current status right now as well, but let's see Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin, it is moving really better than Ethereum in this situation, but Ethereum is gold and silver, and it's more volatile according to Bitcoin, and according to that, Bitcoin is moving better than Ethereum right now. But when market will be stable, Ethereum could perform even better. But Bitcoin now lost 133 percent. Oh my god, sorry guys, I'm tired. 1.33% per hour because of this drop, but it could be stable in next couple of minutes, in next hour for sure. So let's look on SHIBA. SHIBA is going better than ATC. Oh my god, it's going better than ATC on 1.5% per hour. It's pretty good. It's pretty good, guys. We built our line on SHIBA just perfectly, and as you see here, wow, we keeping good. Whoa. And here we see also some big battle on SHIBA chart as well, but it is not stable right now at this current time, but it will definitely. So as you see, it's a live it's a live stream for SHIBA price chart right now, right here. So it's showing pretty good line, and people are buying SHIBA tokens, and it's going pretty well. But I just want to see 1 hour's chart for SHIBA. Wow. It also looks pretty good. 2 hours as well, 4 hours as well, 12 hours as well. One day, it's a question. But it will be pretty hard battle today. So in 1 hour chart, we see pretty strong signal that SHIBA right now showing pretty good strength, and I recommend to bought from this bottom. Actually, it's pretty possible to see the bottom on this line, on this current point, and next it will be battle between whales and good guys. So let's see what will be there. So let me check live chat of Shibu, and it's pretty good. Oh my god. So it's just wow, it's amazing. So let me just drop a few words. Okay, so you see these guys are pretty good. It's a SHIBA Inu token live stream from Josh Finance. It's a really very good guys. And we are back to the green market. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. SHIBA is doing much better than Bitcoin right now. Oh my god. Okay. Prices stabilize here as well for Bitcoin. Is price right now undervalued a little bit, but it's okay. We protected our 1 hour candle here, and we are moving forward. Oh my god, oh my god. Boom. Yeah, it's interesting. So yeah, market will slightly but surely goes better and better, and as you see, it's pretty strong and pretty stable for DyDX. SHIBA market volume will go to the moon soon, when people realize that it's a good possibility to trade in such situation. And yeah, let's see, it will be great battle. Keep up Bitcoin, don't lose to Bogdanov team, and we will see 53,000, maybe even like one day after tomorrow, I would say. But this day is very important, and let's see how it will go. Yeah. Okay guys, so I think that's all from me at the moment. I told you everything what I wanted to say. As you see, it's a critical moment for the Bitcoin right now, and only market, only we can decide what is going to be forward. But with such brutal game from whales, it will be very hard battle. It will be very hard battle. You see that price. Right now price is according to all gold standard, and it's slightly concentrate, and will move forward. Okay, so we finished downtrend for Bitcoin, guys. So, but who knows what else will do on the next step. So it's very interesting. It's maybe one of the most critical point of the history of Bitcoin, because just right now we can see when we will get $50,000 level, and when we go to $100,000 per Bitcoin. And it's very important to protect these candles, but as we see, we have protected it, guys. We have protected it, guys. Wow. So let's see what will be next, but it's a pretty good sign. So guys, thank you for watching. Thanks everyone who will see this video. My channel is not popular at the moment, and I'm not going to make it popular. It's just for me, for sharing my thoughts, for sharing my analysis, for sharing my fears and hopes. So guys, thank you all. Have a good day and keep hodl and keep earning on your crypto assets. Bye bye.